Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are okay today, guys. Alright, so here I will discuss about mental health problems that are often experienced by people, especially teenagers. There are so many problems about mental health such as depression, anxiety, and many more, guys. So here I will discuss one that is about bipolar disorder. Do you know what is bipolar? Right. Bipolar is a mental disorder characterized by drastic change in mood. People with this disorder can feel very happy and then sad. The main symptom of bipolar disorder is drastic mood swing. This mood swing can occur within hours, days, or months. Generally, the symptoms include mood swing most of the day, decreased interest of pleasure, significant weight loss, decreased or increased appetite, difficulty sleeping or otherwise sleeping most of the day, lazy to move, tired, and lost energy, inappropriate or excessive feelings of meaninglessness or guilt, decreased ability to think or concentrate, feeling of doubt about one's ability, recurring of doubt about one's own ability, and recurring talk of death and suicide thoughts. Well, the cause of bipolar disorder can be influenced by several factors. That is a six, namely environment. One of the cases of bipolar disorder is environmental factor. The environment is one of the factors of the many causes for several reasons. For example, victims of sexual harassment or violence that cause trauma, parents, divorce, death, a love, a family member, and so on. And second, abnormalities in the brain. An imbalance in certain chemical can of course disrupt the body system in regulating mood balance. And third, genetics. Well, one of family member who suffer from bipolar disorder certainly has a greater risk to other family members. And fourth, experience several stress. Having a fairly heavy stress can certainly cause some disturbance in carrying out daily activities. Not only that, you will experience disturbance in sleep patterns and are dominated by feelings of sadness and no hope for something. And fifth, traumatic. Another cause that can occur in people with bipolar disorder is a traumatic event in the past. Anyone can experience various types of trauma such as sexual harassment or domestic violence, serious accidents, and so on. And six, addiction to drugs to alcohol drink. Drugs and alcoholic beverages are not good for health if consumed in excess. This can also affect you if you have bipolar disorder because it will worsen mental health even more so that it can worsen bipolar disorder continuously until it be treated properly. Well, that's the cause of bipolar disorder. Now, I will tell you how to deal with bipolar. First, changing lifestyle pattern. Yes, of course. Everyone has their own lifestyle according to what they have life. Lifestyle pattern in daily activities can have both positive and negative impact on your mental health and the environment around you. The choice in living lifestyle pattern is certainly in the hands of each person in changing good or bad habits. An important role in the treatment of bipolar may certainly be done by changing a good lifestyle pattern. For example, having enough sleep, eating healthy foods with balanced nutrition, doing physical activities that are helpful for the body such as a sport or pilates and even yoga according to what you want. Prefer it. Another thing can change your lifestyle is by avoiding excessive use of drugs, alcoholic beverage, and cigarettes. This is because it can worsen mental and physical health in your body. Learn to deal with stress to depression experienced by planning positive things, such as relaxation to balance the mood well. Alright, get support from your family or closest friends to carry out more positive daily activities and visit a doctor or psychiatrist regularly so you can control bipolar symptoms that repair. And second, medical therapy. It is important to remember that the medical needed for bipolar sufferers must be according to the doctor recommendation and taken regularly according to the prescribed instruction. Medication therapy for people with bipolar disorder requires patience because it takes time for the drugs to work effectively on the condition in your body. If there is a change with symptoms that are more risking when using this drug, they immediately contact the doctor or psychiatrist who treat you so that they can be treated properly. So for you guys, start by getting used to be a good and positive lifestyle, getting closer to God, and being open to family when there are problems. We are all people who are full of many shortcomings, but we can cover those shortcomings with our gratitude, one of which is not being insecure. Well, maybe for you friends who still feel insecure, let's get rid of the insecurity because basically everyone has their own advantage and disadvantage. Well, maybe that's all I can convey about mental problems, especially bipolar, which is often experienced by teenagers. I think that's all from me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.